Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of high-performance motorcycles with a detailed review of the BMW G310 R. The BMW G310 R is a compact and stylish entry-level motorcycle that has garnered attention for its unique blend of performance, design, and practicality. Targeted at both new riders and those looking for a nimble city bike, the G310 R embodies the spirit of BMW's engineering excellence while remaining accessible. Design and aesthetics. The design of the G310 R is sleek and modern, featuring sharp lines and a distinctive stance. The headlight, with its LED technology, gives the bike a contemporary look, while the signature BMW styling elements, such as the tank and rear section, highlight its premium lineage. Available in various color options, the G310 R appeals to a wide range of riders who appreciate both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Engine and performance. At the heart of the G310 R is a 313cc single-cylinder engine that delivers a respectable 34 horsepower. This powertrain is paired with a 6-speed transmission, allowing for smooth shifting and a responsive riding experience. The bike is designed to excel in urban environments, offering quick acceleration and easy maneuverability. Its lightweight frame and low seat height make it an ideal choice for both beginners and experienced riders looking for a fun ride. Handling and comfort. The G310 R features a trellis frame that contributes to its agile handling, making it perfect for navigating city streets and tight corners. With a comfortable riding position, the bike is designed for both short commutes and longer journeys. The suspension setup, which includes a telescopic fork at the front and a monoshock at the rear, provides a balanced ride, absorbing bumps while maintaining stability. Technology and features. Incorporating modern technology, the G310 R comes equipped with a digital display that provides essential information, including speed, fuel level, and gear position. Additionally, the bike features ABS anti-lock braking system as standard, enhancing safety during braking. The combination of practical features and cutting-edge technology ensures that riders feel confident on the road. Conclusion. The BMW G310 R stands out as an exceptional entry-level motorcycle that offers a compelling mix of style, performance, and comfort. Whether you're a new rider or looking for a reliable commuter bike, the G310 R delivers an engaging riding experience that embodies the BMW brand's commitment to quality and innovation. With its thoughtful design and impressive capabilities, it's a motorcycle that invites riders to explore the open road with confidence.